A tourist.
Man, it's setting everybody down fast. I didn't realize you guys were on this one. We went down that one.
So these were called the Tonga tubes. They were half enclosed and half open for the ride. They were very fun and very fast. What did you think, Nadia?
Good.
Well, we made it on one single ride, the Tonga tube, before it started pouring the rain. So now we're just sitting under our umbrella, trying to wait it out a little bit. What do you think, sis? You think the rain's gonna stop?
No.
You can hear the thunder in the background. We have seen lightning. Super fun water park day. We decided to leave because it is still raining, still lightning and thundering now. Goodbye, Volcano Day. We're gonna go find something to eat. We are in Islands of Adventure now, and you can see a full rainbow. So it looks like Cat in the Hat over here. And then all the way to the Hawk and Dr. Doom. How beautiful is that? Yeah, you can barely see the double rainbow right here on the screen.
Oh, I see it. There's a double rainbow.
Yeah, you can barely see the double part. The doctor is in and Spider-Man takes him out. We are over here by Dr. Doom. The beautiful rainbow in the background. Dr. Doom Fearfall. Back in this section, they have an area that you can take your service dogs. Also has a shop.
Attention, the Superhero Exchange, number 1934. This is Captain America. All Avengers, listen closely. Our individual attacks on Carnage are having no effect. We have to combine our efforts and act as one if we hope to defeat it.
Thor stands behind you.
Yeah! Okay, first, everyone put the Germans.
Oh no! We lost contact. Over here in this little section, sometimes you'll see a superhero or a villain so that you can get your photos with him. Across the way, there's an arcade. This is what the test seat looks like for Dr. Doom Fearfall. It does have express. Oh! Oh no! And you can see a 5 minute wait for this ride right now. Oh my! We just left Volcano Bay after riding one single ride. It was the Tonga Racers, and it was fun. And then we changed clothes, and it has recently stopped raining. So now we decided to come over here to Islands of Adventure and see if we could eat dinner. And they saw that Dr. Doom Fearfall was not a very long wait at all. So Brandon was really wanting to ride this today. I'm not gonna ride it because I'm way too scared. So I will volunteer to hold everybody's bags, hold everybody's belongings, watch all the children. That is me. I am not riding this ride. So let me know in the comments below if you're one of those people that like to hold everybody's stuff and don't mind that at all while they go ride the scary stuff, or if you're the ones that want to go way up there and straight down. That's me. I do not like to go straight down. Pow! Whoa! Super strong man.
Daredevil, I don't really know how secure these lines are.
I must see you.
Of course.
I have information about the men who killed me.
Can you meet at my law firm in 20 minutes?
I'll be there.
Who killed her?
I don't know.
But how her alive?
I don't know. Is she a ghost?
I think that's from the arcade.
I don't know what this means. I don't know.
Here? Oh!
That was them. It is a 30-minute wait. Whoa, the lights just turned on. It's a 30-minute wait right now. We just got in line for the Velocicoaster, and it is going to be Owen's very first time riding an upside-down roller coaster, Velocicoaster. So I know in a previous video we have said that can an 8-year-old ride Velocicoaster, and he was too short. But now, fast forward a couple months, and he's grown. And the person in the front here said that he was tall enough to ride this ride. But they will probably measure him again once we get to the very front of the line to make sure that he is at the correct height to ride. He's nervous. He's scared. I'm scared as his mama to let him ride for the first time something that goes upside down. But he's gonna be okay. Right, Bubby? Are you scared or excited? Both. Yeah? It's your very first upside down roller coaster also, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes. Oh my goodness. Here, you two stand beside each other. Woo! You excited?
Yeah.
Nervous?
A little.
Yes. Who are you gonna ride with? Mom or Dad?
Dad.
Yeah? And no one's gonna ride with me. Yes. What could go wrong?
Get stuck?
Everything's gonna be fine. But we are gonna see some real dinosaurs in this line.
So this robots.
We're gonna see some robot dinosaurs.
I'll take it from here. Let's get you ready to enter the paddock with real live raptors. The name Velociraptor means swift thief. Not only are they fast, their bite is equivalent to a large American alligator. Yikes! That means a sign to you. You won't be returning to this room. So you need to remember that number, symbol, or color to retrieve your items. You must put all of your loose items, except the park ticket, in the locker. Don't forget to empty your...
We encourage all
Look at
our
this side,
guests
Evelyn.
to follow CDC guidelines and to wear face coverings while indoors. Thank you for your cooperation.
Oh my goodness, we just got off the velocicoaster and it goes way up to the tippy top right there with my son, 8 years old, riding his very first upside down roller coaster. Oh my goodness, he loved it. Oh, so do you like it?
Yes.
You loved it. Tell me your thoughts.
I didn't like it like when you're going under the bridge because you're like falling off the chair.
Yeah, it did feel like you were falling off. Did you like spinning around upside down for your first time?
Yeah.
Yes, you like that? Did you like the very high top hat point? Yes. Would you ride it again?
Yeah.
Oh, yes. I'm so proud of you. That was so good. Say cheese. Say chocolate. We're eating at the chocolate factory now. There was only a 10-minute wait to come here, very surprisingly, because the line was very long. And so we got in and we already ordered our food. So when it comes, we'll give you a peek of what we're going to eat tonight. Of course, we had to get the chocolate almond bread and put some of this delicious butter on it. All right, Nadia, you gonna try it? What do you think?
I like it. Do you like it?
Do you like it?
Yeah. I know what I like.
Do you like it? All right, Nadia got the waffles and bacon, and then she's gonna get some butter. And Ellen got the sandwich.
It's like chocolate. It's like chocolate bread.
Hi, nice to meet you. I like your that dessert. You must know each other. It's so nice to meet you. Come back and see you.
We had a really good time doing one ride at Volcano Bay and then going over to Islands of Adventure, and so excited for Owen to ride his very first upside down roller coaster, the Velocicoaster. Yes, and yours too. So excited. We had an excellent time.
It's your family time. Bye.